Prescription drug shortages are something we know all too well. Thank you for joining us tonight at 6. I'm Faith Woodard. Now, another one has been added to the list by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. THV 11's Rebecca Brown spoke to a local pharmacy on how they're trying to handle the short supply.
It might be available today, it might not be available tomorrow.
Mounjaro, an injectable diabetic medication, has been tough to keep on the shelves for local pharmacies.
It has just been booming ever since. It is very popular. It is FDA approved for diabetes and it helps diabetics lower their A1C, and it's just found to be incredibly effective at what it does.
According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, Mounjaro will be in short supply until the end of March, leaving pharmacists like Jenny Wells having to figure it out.
Pharmacists are very well versed in navigating drug shortages, but this drug in particular is a little bit special because it's been kind of an ongoing production issue since it came out.
Wells says it could also be related to the issue of the same exact ingredients found in Mounjaro, approved by the FDA, could also be found in a weight management drug called Zepbound.
Prior to Zepbound being FDA approved for weight management, Mounjaro was often being used for weight management. And so I think that compounded the drug shortage issue whenever there were multiple populations of people, not just diabetics, that were seeking out the medication as well.
It matters who gets them.
Eli Lilly, the makers of Mounjaro, recently rolled out an ad campaign aimed at people who use the injections for what they call cosmetic weight loss, seeming to say that may be contributing to the shortage.
There is definitely a national shortage because obesity is the biggest problem in this country, which causes diabetes and heart disease.
Although they are battling this crisis now, Wells says local pharmacies are doing everything they can to help.
If we can't get your medication in, a common solution would be to maybe call the doctor and see if we could change it to a sister medication. It's not the best solution, but it is, ideal versus going without the medication.
In Little Rock, Rebecca Brown, THV 11 News.